Hello traders, and welcome to Trading with Bill, Options and Forex. Traders, it's a Tuesday, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Sunny skies, nice blue waters, and okay beaches, not too hot today. July 15th, 2014. Traders, always great to be with you on another trading day. You can always come visit me at tradingwithbill.com, leave your comments. It's not a big website, nothing's fancy, but it's a good place to communicate with me. So come and visit, and also these videos are all on the front page of the site. Alright traders, as we get ready for the trading day, as London opens about 40 minutes away, let me introduce myself to you and then we'll get started. Traders, my name is William Gilday and I am, well, they call me Bill. Traders, I started trading in 2006 as I was still working, and I was trading all night long. Traders, in 2008 I retired from the great career at a fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, in 2008, 9 days after I retired, I was on the big airplane heading to Thailand for a 3-month vacation. It's 2014 and I'm still here. Traders, I enjoy what I do. I trade options and Forex every single trading day. I love being in front of my charts, love being involved, and I have to tell you, I love talking with you guys every single day. It's really fantastic. All right, traders, got a lot to talk about today. Let's get the risk disclaimer out of the way. Forex and options trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in options and Forex markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. The past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, traders, that is the legal disclaimer. Hope you all took note of that. Let's move forward and let's take a look at Tuesday's news commentary. All right, let's take a look. The Dow 30 closed high at 0.66% in the green. The S&P 500 was up 0.48%. NASDAQ 100 was up 0.64%. Let's see what we got here. Across the pond, the DAX was up at 1.21%, getting ready for trading in about 7 minutes. The FTSE 100 was also up at 0.84%. The CAC 40 was up 0.78%. Euro Stock 50 was up also, and that was up 0.96%. The Nikkei 225, which is still currently trading, is up 0.64%. The Shanghai is down negative 0.27%. The Hang Seng is up 0.27%. Trades, the S&P ASX 200 is flat at 0.000%. And the Kospi is up 1.22%. All right, traders, we got a lot going on today. Let's just take a peek at the news. Got some shakers and bakers today, so let's get through this. Sometime today, the Bank of Japan has a press conference. As you know, they do not put a time in there. They'll just come out and talk away. In the London session, we have the pound has CPI year on year during the London session. Let's take a look here. Also, out of the pound, we have Bank of England Governor Carney is speaking. That's sure to bounce around a little bit. We've got, in the Eurozone, we got the German zoo economic sentiment. That is a high impact data. In the U.S. session, traders, we have core retail sales month on month, another high impact. Then we have retail sales month on month, high impact. Traders, these are all high impact. And probably the one that most people are waiting for is Fed Chair Yellen testifies today. All right, traders, I think it's time for options talk. Let's talk about options. Traders, I did get into an options trade in the New York session on yesterday. Let's take a look. It is the spiders. Okay, this is a bull put, and basically the numbers are 196.5 and 194.5. And basically, if we stay above till expiration time, actually it is Saturday, but we want to be out during New York on Friday. As long as we stay above that, we will be in profit for the trade. Take a look at the bottom of the chart. Look at that Williams R% indicator to the upside. Look at our DNA on the bottom of the chart. Very nice. That blue line is above the 50 line, looking very, very nice. Traders, let's look at a regular chart. I call it a regular chart. They call it a profit chart on the Thinkorswim platform. And we can see this channel I put in a long time ago because I've been trading this for some time now. And you can see we had 2 red days, and yesterday we had an up day. So this has plenty of room to go to the top of that channel line. So I'm real confident that this trade hopefully will work out and we won't get anything too bad on this baby. But if you look at where support is, you'll see that it's still above or just at 195. So maybe 194.8 right there. So this is looking good as long as we don't get too much of a drop here. And like I said, as long as we stay above 195, 196.5 till Friday, we're going to be okay. All right, traders, let's go take a look at 2 currency pairs today. And here they come. This is the Forex charts. All right, let's take a look at the commodity pair today. We're going to look at the Aussie dollar daily chart. I am still bullish in this. You can see it's hard on this chart, but it's a daily chart. But if you look at this spatially, you can see that this is in an uptrend. And my bias is we just want to take buy trades in this pair. So that's what I looked at. The charts aren't as good as I would have liked, but let's take a peek. Okay, the Aussie dollar 60-minute chart. You can see we're in congestion here where all these candles are just all sunken together here. The trade is easy. The trade is basically we're going to put our stop, which is that red diamond below that congestion, and we are going to enter this trade if we can get a candlestick close above the daily pivot. And if you look at the rectangle square there, you see my green arrow, and that is where the daily pivot is. And if we can get there, we're going to take a bullish candle and we'll take it to the upside, and the stop still needs to be where the stop needs to be, right? So, and we're looking to take profit at the R2 area would be nice to take profit. We might have to take profit at R1, so we'll just have to keep an eye on that as we go through the trading day. Other than that, this looks like a really nice opportunity to get in here. All right, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is ugly. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It just looks ugly. We want to get a bullish candlestick formation right here. We'll take this to the upside. See where the red diamond is for our stop. You see where R1 is where I want to take profit. What's the problem here, traders? We're going to get a bullish candle, and the first thing we got to fight is the 200 exponential moving average. Next thing we got to fight is the deviation level at the settlement line there. That's going to be another fight, and that we might just be break even at that point. So, I'm not comfortable with this trade risk to reward. This just does not look like a good opportunity for us on the 15-minute chart. I would be trading it off the hourly chart and let this 15-minute chart just fight itself out. But I'm not going to play with the 15-minute chart if I take a trade in the Aussie. And with data coming out the way it is today, I think we're going to stay away from the Aussie dollar. All right, let's go over to the loonie, and that is the dollar CAD. Traders, look at this. This is really nice spatially. Look at this chart. Definitely bearish. We're looking to take sell trades in this, and that's what our bias is. We want to short it. All right, let's go over to the 60-minute chart, and here we go. Nice trade setup right at the moment. We're just looking for a bearish candlestick. You can see our rectangle with our red arrow. I'm looking to take this short. I'd like to see a bearish candlestick formation, and let's take this short. We can see where I have the first profit area at S1, and the second one is S2 at the 200 exponential moving average. So this is a nice trade setup. I think this can work out very nicely on the 1-hour chart. All right, let's go over to the 15-minute chart, see what we got here. The 15-minute chart, traders, we're in the sweet spot. We are in the sweet spot. Let's take this on a bearish candlestick formation, and let's take this down to the powder blue circle right above the settlement deviation. And we want to get out before that because, we're not the only ones who sees that, and we want to get out so we make sure we get our profits before it bounces off of that. But this looks really nice. Just take this all the way back down, and we should be fine. This is a great spot. And my time, we're looking at 30 minutes before the London Open as I'm producing this video. So looking good. All right, traders. I'd like to thank you, my friends, for being with me on a Tuesday, July 15th, 2014. And again, come and visit me with tradingwithbill.com. Traders, if you would, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get an email every time I place a video into YouTube. Also, you can leave a comment on my website or YouTube, positive or negative. We want your feedback. This is Traders Helping Traders, and that's what it's all about. We're out here to make some pips and get those options. All right, traders, from Pattaya, Thailand, this is Bill, and we'll talk to you later. Take care, traders. Bye-bye.